hell, if we've been honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days I don't know what I want to do or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Shy, again. Happy Vlogmas. Yeah, I was just thinking earlier today, I was all like, every time I open a package, shout out to a very special commenter that commented and said that I should open up everything I buy, so this video is for you. But I was thinking, I was all like, should I be like, we just got a package, we just got a package, like the Blues Clues? No, you don't remember? Too young? Okay. Anyways, if y'all don't know, if I haven't said it, my name is Shy, by the way, you guys. We do have a package, y'all. We do have a package. This does not say my address. So cool. Oh, maybe I should pose with the actual products, you guys. If you read the description, you know what I'm about to open up. Y'all, Camille Rose had a great Black Friday sale. You know, back a few years ago, I used to be a committed Mielle buyer until people started saying she changed her products. My hair didn't do nothing from it. I don't know if because I didn't buy, like, I had the same products for a long time. So I guess when she changed the formula or whatever they were saying, people's hair was falling out. I know personally, like, 3 people that said that their hair had fallen out from Mielle, whatever it is. But and I was all like, okay. Once I was completely out of my old Mielle stuff, I was all like, I need to find something else. And I found Camille Rose. Y'all, they put so much of this. Why did they put all this stuff in? Why y'all do that? Why? Like, for real though. This is who was? Cause this is a mess. Who was in charge of packaging? No, now it's all over my floor. They did wrong for this. And then they got the pink at the bottom. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all this. Who was in charge of this? Who bright idea was this, Camille Rose? Ignore them pants, y'all. I just did that from another video. Did a review. But y'all, look at this. Look, why did they put all this stuff in here? Why? And then it's like 3 pink ones. They ran out of pink. Like, that is so irritating. Looking, I don't know, I got some kind of disorder because looking at certain stuff like this all together, it made me itch. I ain't got time to be itching. But yeah, y'all, anyways, I don't know why they did all that. But y'all, I ordered their Black Friday sale. Maybe I should do like this. This is better than that box, huh? So like I was saying, I started using Camille Rose because, okay, so I ordered basically the guava slip bundle. It was on sale for like, I think I paid $30 with shipping and all that, but it was a good sale. Cause usually if you go on Amazon, one of these be about $30. So, oh, this is really kind of them. Oh my gosh, they gave me some free stuff, y'all. No, I am not sponsored by them. This is so sweet though. And they gave me a little happy holidays card. It says, wishing you love, peace, and perfectly pampered curls this holiday season. That is so sweet, y'all. And they gave me a little gift. Of course I didn't order these. But some little, this is cute. I might put this in my hair for my birthday or something. What you gonna do for Big Mama for real? What do I get for my birthday? What do I get for my birthday? Okay, I'm gonna stop. But this is so cute. Thank you for my present that I didn't expect, Camille Rose. So I'm gonna do a little, we did the box opening / product review. So I'm gonna start complaining about the little stuff since y'all gave me some for free. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is, I've never used this before, but this is the Guava Slip Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. I never used their leave-in conditioner before, and I was just saying that I need to buy some leave-in conditioner because I was still working on the Miel, whatever, leave-in conditioner I had for some time or whatever. But what I have tried is I have tried the Guava Slip Detangling Conditioner, and I've also tried the Guava Slip Detangling Shampoo. And when I tell y'all, this is some good stuff. It's some good stuff. It's some good stuff, y'all. I'm not even playing it. Like, when I wash my hair with this, after I got done, like, I wash my own hair like probably like twice a year. Because once I take out my sew-ins, I go to my hairdresser and she washes my hair for me. But when I do have to wash my hair, when I do have to wash my own hair, y'all, I used it about twice. Y'all, this stuff made my hair so freaking soft. So soft. And my curls was just popping. And the smell of this is so good. You just gonna want to keep. But am I doing too much? Y'all, I'm a little delirious. After work vibes, trying to get this Vlogmas content in. I'm just a tad bit delirious. But if you don't do nothing else with your hair, drop that Miel Me out and get with Camille. Okay? This is some, I keep trying to just give myself options for thumbnails, because the last thumbnails my face been looking. But yeah, y'all, this is some good stuff. I would definitely say buy this. I'm very excited to actually use the leave-in conditioner. Now I may use this more, because I do, when I wash my sew-ins, what I do is I wash the weave with mane and tail, y'all. I wash my weave with mane and tail. I think that's what it's called. Real old school. But when I get to my edges and my leave out, I wash it with the good shit. So I'm very excited to especially try this new detangling leave-in conditioner on my leave out. So that's gonna be exciting, y'all. Thank you. And I think that's it for this video, y'all. Thank you guys for watching so much. I'm so grateful for all the new subscribers I got. So grateful. Hey, y'all, I swear I have gotten like 10 subscribers in the last like probably 3-4 days, and I'm so grateful. We're on the road to 500. So if you're watching this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like it. If you don't, keep it moving. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.